Welcome to this course on data science. As you might know, data science is an integral component of big data. This course will help you get an understanding of the important concepts of data science, and will provide a base for you to take your big data learning further with the language R. Note that this course is one of the prerequisite courses for our R programming course. To take this course, you must have a basic understanding of file management systems, database management concepts, and programming logic. There are no system requirements for this course. This course contains 7 modules, which will cover evolution of data science, what is analytics, fundamentals of analytics, data storage in analytics, data processing for analytics, data wrangling, and data mining. All set? Let's begin.